Hey guys! Hello and welcome to Automation School, your #1 source of informative videos and guides on how to set up your very own cash cow automation YouTube channel. In today's video, we will be discussing how you can build your own YouTube automation team and why it is so important to have one in the first place. Don't know what a YouTube automation team is? Don't worry, we're going to explain everything for you. First things first, let's make sure you understand the basics. A YouTube automation team is, as the name implies, is a group of individuals forming a team who work together to automate various tasks associated with running a YouTube channel. These tasks may include video editing, keyword research, thumbnail creation, and social media promotion. However, the core team members of a YouTube automation team should include a script writer, voice artist, video editor, and thumbnail artist. Down the line, when you begin to expand, your team can grow to include social media managers, video managers, marketing managers, etc. But we recommend that you start with the core team when starting out and hire more specialized roles when you scale. So, we have covered what an automation team is, but why do you need one? You may be thinking to yourself that you are a bit of a jack-of-all-trades type of person, and that you are confident doing all the managerial tasks needed for your automation channel. Well, running an automation YouTube channel can be very hard to do for one person, especially if you actually want to grow and become the ultimate cash cow YouTube channel. That is where automation teams come in. Having a YouTube automation team can help to save time, increase productivity, and improve the overall quality and consistency of the content on the channel. It can also help to ensure that the channel is consistently promoted across multiple platforms, maximizing its potential reach. A YouTube automation team can be useful for several reasons. Increases efficiency. Automating various tasks associated with running a YouTube channel can help to increase efficiency, allowing the channel owner to focus on creating great content. Saves time. Automating tasks such as video editing, keyword research, and script writing can help to save time, allowing the channel owner to spend more time creating content and engaging with the audience. Improves consistency. A professional YouTube automation team can help to improve the consistency of the channel's content, making it more attractive to viewers and more likely to be shared. Increases productivity. Automated workflows allow the team members to work more efficiently, thus increasing productivity. Enhances metrics. Automation can help to track, measure, and analyze key metrics that are important for the channel's growth, such as views, engagement, subscribers, etc. Cost-effective. Hiring a team of professionals to automate tasks can be more cost-effective than doing everything manually, as it helps to reduce human error and increase productivity. Overall, a YouTube automation team can help to streamline various tasks associated with running a YouTube channel, making the process more efficient and effective, thus allowing the channel owner to focus on the bigger picture of creating great content, growing their audience, and eventually managing the big bank from a tropical beach with a freshly picked coconut in one hand. Don't forget your sunscreen. Let's now get stuck right into the main purpose of this video, learning how to build your YouTube automation team. Building a YouTube automation team requires several steps, including identifying the tasks that need to be automated, selecting the right tools and software, and hiring and training the right team members. Here's an overview of the process. Identify tasks. The first step in building a YouTube automation team is to identify the tasks that can and should be automated. This might include tasks such as video editing, keyword research, thumbnail creation, and social media promotion. Basically, any task that requires a specialist or expert set of knowledge to maximize the potential of the task, and ideally, a task that actually makes a difference in the overall product of your YouTube automation channel. Hire team members. To build your YouTube automation team, you'll need to hire the right team members. Remember, we recommend a core team of a script writer, voice artist, video editor, and a thumbnail artist to start, but your team also may include graphic designers, social media managers, and other professionals who have the skills and experience that can complement your business. Nowadays, it is very easy to find freelancers who you can frequently use to join your automation team on sites such as Fiverr and Upwork. Once you grow large enough, you can even hire these team members as full-timers. Monitor performance. As your team begins to automate tasks, It's important to monitor their performance to ensure that they're producing quality work within a reasonable time. We suggest project management tools like Trello and Asana as great ways to build out your workflow, assign team members, and automate tasks all in one place. But be aware, it may take a bit of finesse to procure your team from freelancing platforms such as Fiverr and Upwork and transition them over to your personal project management tool like Asana or Trello. But it is incredibly important that you do so in the long run to avoid fees, have more control, and truly be 100% automated. When you are doing this, just make sure not to be too obvious about it, or you may get banned from those platforms. And finally, always remember you are using a team to increase efficiency and increase the overall product. If your team members aren't performing as fast or as well as you could do on your own, consider replacing them. Communicate and collaborate. Communication and collaboration are key to building an effective YouTube automation team. Make sure that team members are communicating regularly and that they are sharing information and ideas. You could set up a Discord channel or a Slack channel to effectively communicate with your entire team and encourage collaboration. Think of a team as a well-lubricated piece of machinery. Every cog needs to be working in harmony. Your team should be operating in the same manner. Review and adapt. Finally, as your YouTube automation team becomes more experienced and efficient, you'll need to review and adapt your processes. This may include revising your workflow, adopting new tools and software, or making other changes to better suit the needs of your team and your YouTube channel. You should probably set yourself certain goals and make realistic ideas of how you can achieve them. Then, when you come to review your performance, you have a clear list of goals to reflect on and see if you have achieved them. Keep in mind, building the YouTube automation team takes time, patience, and a willingness to experiment and adapt. But with the right tools, team members, and processes in place, you can automate many of the tasks associated with running a successful YouTube channel and free up your time to focus on creating great content. In the early stages of a YouTube automation channel, you may not be able to afford to hire team members for each role necessary. However, a team of 2 is always better than a team of 1. As long as you have one extra person initially to take off some of the workload, it will improve your overall product being delivered. When you think about it, teams are actually such a basic concept of any business, organization, product delivery, or even goal. Many hands make light work, and this is definitely the case for your YouTube automation channel. Thank you for watching our video on how to build your very own YouTube automation team. We hope you have enjoyed watching, and if you have, please consider dropping a like, comment, and subscribing so you don't miss out on our consistent and comprehensive education on all things YouTube automation. Until next time, see you later, automators.